Real quick for those of you that are signing up with My Daily Choice, Hempworx. My Daily Choice is the parent company for Hempworx, and you're having some issues with your shopping cart. So if I go up to this little shopping cart logo up here, you might see all these different orders in here. And what you got to do is you hit X, and you're removing the ones you don't want to keep the ones you want. If you're having issues, just remove them all and then close out, and then you'll see they disappeared, and you might want to confirm by going back. And you might still be having issues because of something called cookies. So what you'd want to do is log out. So I just click the log out button. You need to hit continue. Now, if your screen's a little bit different, it might be because I'm a member and you might be a pre-enrollee that's signing up for the first time. But it should be very similar. If you're having issues, just reach out to the person who referred you. If I'm the one who referred you, reach out and I could do another video. But that should be what you need. Now, after you log out, remember you need to completely log out like I just showed you, then you would want to delete cookies just to make sure. So this is for those of you like you're logging back in and those things are still there. That can sometimes happen depending on your system that you're using. I haven't seen it a lot, but I've seen it enough that I think it's worthy of doing a video. So what you would do is you would go to, well, you got to go to cookies and delete your cookies, and that's a little bit different depending on the browser that you're using. But in my case, I would go to history, and then I would up here, and then I would hit delete cookies. If you need additional help, reach out to us and we'll let you know. But what to do depending on the system that you're using. Once you've deleted your cookies, you would log back in. In my case, I'm an affiliate customer, so I'll log in here again. Wherever you logged in before, log into the same place. And this looks different if you're not signed up yet. But when you go to step 4, if you're signing up for the first time, you're going to go to somewhere where you're choosing the products. You should notice if you followed those steps, if you deleted everything in your shopping cart, you logged out completely of the site, you deleted cookies and you came back in, when you go to purchase whatever it is, like if I get the spray pack builder, well, whatever it is you're getting, in fact, let's just say you're coming in at executive. If you're in the US, it would be this pack here, Hempworx Director Pack. And then I choose which ones I want. And just doing this really quickly, I go, once you add to cart, you're going to notice those items that were there before are deleted, and you can hit checkout, and you're on your way. So if that doesn't help and you still need additional help, let us know. Definitely want to come in because of the nature of this system. If you're here to build a business, which those I'm working with are, most people in the company are here for the products and they share the products, which is what makes it a phenomenal opportunity. But if you're working with me or my team, we're focused on the business because we see that you want to come in sooner rather than later because of the way we're building. The system rewards action takers, as it should. So don't delay. If you're having any issues, let us know. Let us know what system you're on, and we'll help you figure out how to delete cookies and join us. All right, we'll see you soon.